Racing Jazz is started with entry number 6 Perfectionist, break quickly at the start Bazooka, Pot Slump, and in fourth now moving up is Golden Arasia, Jazz Music running by the release Babes, Magic who's the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Perfectionist by a length and a half, Bazooka in second, and on the outside is Golden Arasia. In the middle portion comes Pot Slump. Then next on line is Babes Magic, while Jan's Music now racing in last back to the leader. We have Perfectionist maintaining a length and a half lead. Golden Arasia in second. Pot Slump is down on the inside, and here comes Babes Magic moving up down on the inside. Bazooka, while Jan's Music now running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Babes Magic now takes command. Perfectionist, Pot Slump moving from the outside. Golden Arasia, and as they swing for home, we have Babes Magic whirling and a half. Pot Slump moving up on the outside, and I'm saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Pot Slump followed by Perfectionist, and finally Pot Slump, Perfectionist, Babes Magic, Bazooka, Golden Arasia, and Jan's Music.
3-6-2-1 din.
Right.